Rami here. I quite like how language has become very informal and relaxed. Rami here reflects 2021 better than it is I, Rami, does. You can teach an old dog new tricks, and trust me, I am very much an old dog. I've been around in one way or another for billions and billions of Earth years. Some of you would be shocked to find out how old you really are. You know about your true identity, but what you don't know is when you, as a micro-droplet soul, were first born, or, more accurately, first secreted. Your true self, you, as a soul, is millions of years old. As a human, you may feel all the aches and pains of age-related changes at 50, 60, 70, or 80 years of age, but this is just a drop in the bucket compared to your real age. A soul is eternal and immortal, but it does grow and mature in the time-based laboratories, and, of course, the Earth is one of these. Christ is a multiplex movie theater, so multiply your millions of years of experience and growth by all the Christs currently incarnated, and then add in the Christs who are disincarnate, and you have an amazingly vast and complex being, don't you? This is the real you and the real me, because you are, in actuality, a we, and I am, actually, a we. We just have individualized points of focus. Think of record players playing different records, but they are all record players. We are all Christ, even though our points of focus can look very different. But if you look closely and really take a close look, you will see it. It's in Mary Christ, and Belinda Christ, and Chester Christ, and Sarah Christ, and on and on and on, forever and ever. It's the divine principle. It's love. It's wisdom and it's intelligence, all wrapped up in one mysterious and glorious package. Namaste. Rami.